Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell to notify you each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to share, like and comment if this video is good. Don't for my whole subscribers, God bless you all. In today's episode, I will be teaching you how to make 4-5 months old baby food at home. So let's start. This our carrot. Let's peel our carrots. Don't forget to subscribe if you are watching this video. Subscribe now. So our carrot is peeled. Let's slice our carrots. Don't forget to subscribe. Make una subscribe, my people, my brothers and my sisters, my fans. People subscribe. And not forget to subscribe. They know they pay put, not be money. Not be money. If you never touch that red button, make you touch am now. Not be money you want to touch am, or just touch am for they see different kind of video when I go they upload. For my channel, I go to bring different video every week. Subscribe, share, like and comment. Share to your family, your friends. Make they watch the video. If only you want to watch it, not good to your family help you follow you watch out. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Our carrot is ready. I've already sliced our carrot. Look at it. So let's boil. Let's boil for 5 minutes. Our carrot is boiling. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Don't forget to press that red button o. Make una don't forget, make una touch that red button when they up. Not be money o, na free to touch am. Na free, they no dey pay put for that one o. They no dey use credit card for that one o. Just touch am, na free. As you dey watch the video, so just touch that red button. And after you touch the red button, then you touch the bell. The bell dey near am, you go touch the bell. So new video, you go dey see the new video when I go dey share. Our carrot is well, so let's blend. Tablespoon of olive. You can blend this for 2 seconds or 3 seconds. It's ready. You mix it with baby food or milk. Any milk of your choice, you mix it.